My name's Christine. I'm 62 years old, and I'm here because I've been dealing with long COVID, which has impacted my life greatly. Not able to work, and there's a lot of fatigue, cognitive impairment, and I have been working with the Dolphin for a while, doing vagus nerve stimulation. Having some improvement. It's been slow and steady and been exciting to see that. But then I got COVID again at Christmas time, so a month ago. And the night that I tested positive, I wasn't feeling well and went to the washroom, and I fainted and hit the back of my head on a clawfoot cast iron tub. And so there's that injury and the COVID itself. I haven't been able to get back to my baseline. I'm quite a bit below where I was before this second COVID, and I'm discouraged. So I've twice fainted, which it's not common for me. The only other time I fainted in my life was when I had extreme back pain, and it was the pain that made me pass out. I would like to go have a nap right now, so it's relaxed. It was relaxing. I'm surprised. My neck is a lot looser. I always have a stiff neck. I always feel it, and it's kind of freaking me out that you're treating my liver and my neck feels better. So I can just tell you that I had a really busy morning, which for me is a lot. I had to go to a doctor's appointment and everything, and I was not really feeling great when I came in here. And right now I feel kind of invigorated, but also want to have a nap. So my hips feel looser. Mark was just asking me about my neck when I came, like it's a 1 or a 2 right now, but I live with it like 9. And so I've gone from a 9 to 1 or 2 on my neck. And what I will, because sleep has been hard lately, if I come back next week or to do another treatment, if I'm sleeping well after this, then that's priceless. Okay, so for part 1 of the treatment, when I was here last time a few weeks ago, since then, I'm getting back to my baseline very slowly. My neck that was loosened up last time seems to be staying that way. There's like a little bit of tension there, but it seems to be loosened up. It's hard to describe. I guess my feeling right now is I feel calm, loose, and my brain's clearer because I have brain fog in my life, and so I would say there's some clarity there. What I really want to do is just lie down and have a nap for like 20 minutes. So I guess that combination of calm, loose, like my body feels loose, and clarity feels a little foreign to me right now. So those are all good things. And I hope it sticks. I'm glad I had a chance to do this.